It is Tuesday. We're doing something different here for Tech Tuesday. I have two very special guests joining me here at the table. I've got Ottawa Hills High School student Timmy Moore, and I also have to his right Seth Powless. He's a professor at University of Toledo. Good morning to both of you guys, and thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, China.
All right, I see a lot of technology here. I've got my iPad, but you've got a few things that you brought yourself. Talk a little bit about that.
I brought two phones with me today. I have my Blackberry, and I have an iPhone.
You have two?
Yes.
Those are both your phones?
One is my mom's.
Okay. And so, what do you prefer, since you've been on both of them?
I kind of prefer the iPhone over the Blackberry. They both have their advantages and disadvantages. One thing about the iPhone is there's a bunch of apps you can download and you can choose from. The Blackberry, I really like the keyboard, since the iPhone doesn't have a actual...
You can type away.
Yeah. I type a lot faster on the Blackberry than I do the iPhone, so that's one advantage between the two.
Okay. I have a Blackberry. I'm trying to transition into an iPhone. That's why I particularly wanted to ask you that question, thinking about crossing over to the dark side. You also have a mini laptop here in front of you as well.
Basically, yes. This is a competitor to the iPad. This is called an Asus Transformer Prime, and one of its main selling features is if you don't like typing on the, as I said with the Blackberry, if you don't like the on-screen keyboard, you can actually just dock it. So if you're typing a really long message and you didn't want to just type forever on the screen, you could just simply put it in.
Look at that. That's really convenient.
And then it turns into a laptop.
And the really cool thing about this is it's very lightweight. It's good for women. Very compact. We don't like those big, bulky devices. It's just not cute. It just doesn't mesh with us well. So I like this. You also have your iPad as well?
Yes.
That you want to show us. There it is. Now, is this the latest iPad? Because you can't technically call it the iPad 3.
Right. This is the iPad 2, actually, not the newest one, but they both have their same features. The new one has the better screen on it, so if you wanted that better screen, the iPad 3 would definitely be better. But
why the iPad instead of, a Samsung tablet or some of the other ones that are out in the market as well? Why do you particularly like the iPad so much?
It comes down to, again, there's different applications for each. The iPad has more applications than like an Android tablet, a Samsung tablet, or the Transformer Prime. Then it just comes down to what are you looking for in a tablet, what's your price point. There's all different sizes. Like this can range from $400 to $600. You can get it from $600 to $800 if you wanted to get like with Verizon or AT&T, so you can get internet anywhere.
Gotcha. John James has that set up. He loves it. All right, I'm getting told that I only have a couple seconds left, and I can't forget about Seth here, who's just been patiently waiting for us to ask more about this technology camp, because that's a really big thing, and it's going to be great for a lot of folks. Talk a little bit about that, Seth.
Right. In late July, July 16th through the 18th, we have a College of Business and Innovation over at UT, a technology camp, where we basically talk about all this different technology, how to use it, how to design and create your own applications. Really fun, hands-on stuff for the average high school student. Timmy's one of our regular campers. He comes every year to it because it's our second year now. So a lot of the knowledge Timmy acquired, actually, he got at the camp. So he's there as well to learn how to write apps, how to create your own website, and this is all from scratch. You don't necessarily need to have a technology background for this. So it's a really fun, hands-on experience.
Okay, I believe all the information is right there on our screen there as well. How much does this cost?
This is actually $25, and that includes lunch over the 3 days. We do tours all over campus, and there are raffles for iPads, Kindle Fires, very cool raffles.
Ooh, I like that. A nice incentive.
So yes, it's $25 for all 3 days, and that includes the lunch and everything.
Okay, and finally, Seth, where can folks go for more information?
They can either go to the WNWO website, or they can go to the University of Toledo's College of Business website, or they can simply go to UT's website and search Technology Camp, and it'll pop up. You can register right there.
All right, Seth and Timmy, thank you so much. I get a little overwhelmed with so much technology in front of me, but definitely this is the one I want really, really bad. He's looking at me. I can't take it, can I? He's like, no, put it down. All right, guys, again, thank you so much. We'll post all this information again on our website, northwestohio.com. It is 25 minutes past the hour. We will be right back with more after this.